Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I want to show you a super simple trick that will blow your mind and upgrade your spreadsheets instantly. An in-cell progress bar just like the one we have here in column E, so you can track the progress of your tasks. Now this is a little bit of a workaround, but stick with me and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so let me delete everything that is here in progress and progress bar, and we're gonna do it together. Okay, so first thing, say I have this very simple project tracker that has my projects, the total number of tasks that I have to complete the project, and the total of tasks completed. So I want to track the progress. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to see what percentage of the tasks I have completed, and to do that, it's very simple. I'm just going to divide B by C. So equals B2 divided by C2. When I just added the equals here, and already the spreadsheet is suggesting me the formula, so to accept it, I just have to press return. Okay, and as always, I can just come here to the cell. If I come to the bottom right, and you can see this turns into a cross, I double click and this drags the formula down. Now let's do just a little bit of formatting. So let's select all of the cells. Let's come here up to the percentage symbol. We're gonna click on it, and then we're going to remove the number of decimal places, just so we have some clean data. Okay, now to the cool part. We are going to use the repeat function, which is equals repeat, so R-E-P-T. Specify text is repeated a number of times. Okay, so this is how this function works. It's very simple. You give it what text do you want to repeat, and you tell it how many times it should repeat. Now, because what I wanted to repeat here is basically a bar, I have copied the bar here for you because it can kind of get tricky to get there. So if you want to copy it, you can just go to the box down below here before the comments, and I'm going to copy the function in there. Or I'm also going to copy a link to this spreadsheet in there so you can actually access the spreadsheet. Now, the spreadsheet, you're not going to be able to edit it. So if you want to copy the spreadsheet, you have to make a copy of it, okay? So if you want to make a copy of the spreadsheet, you just come into File and you make a copy, okay? So then you can work on your own copy. You're not going to be able to edit my spreadsheet, so don't request edit access, just make your own copy. And then you can do whatever you want with your own copy. Okay, fine. So what we're gonna do, as I said, we're just gonna copy the formula here. And as you see, if you want to use exactly the formula as it is, you have to have the data set up exactly as mine, because the references are arranged for how my data is set up. So I'm just going to do equals, and then I'm going to Control V to copy the formula. So basically what we are doing here, let me read the formula for you. So I want you to repeat this bar here, D2 times 10. So I want you to get 80% and multiply it by 10 basically. So let's press return, and you see, and it's already suggesting me autofill. So do you want me to do the same for all the others? And I'm gonna say yes, please go ahead and do it. So you can see that we have the progress bar. This is 80, 75, 20, 100, and 80%. So again, just a little very cool trick for you to be able to add a progress bar to your spreadsheet.